Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about what alphabets in Korean and what vowels in Korean too. In alphabet, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 alphabets, and I think everybody know about little star. So when I was young, we sang Twinkle Star. We say Canada songs. So Canada mabasa a자 차카타파하 도도 솔솔 랄라솔 파파 미미렐레도 가나다라 마바사 아가 차카타파하. So this video for really basic style and for really beginners to understand what is Korean alphabet. There are 14 alphabets, and I think you guys wondering what is next to like this one. This one is one of Korean's vowels. So is one of first one and a really basic one. I will write vowels too. Their alphabet and vowels. A, 야, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are basic 10 vowels, 14 alphabets, 10 vowels. You can usually use that one. And if you want to make one word, you guys like bear? We say this one is 곰. We need one alphabet and one vowel. And we can say this sound is ko. Not Joe, not ko, ko, ko. But in this word, we need mium in the bottom. So we said this one, 받침. This 받침 is very important one because in the word I don't think 받침 language maybe just one Korean language, I think. I'm not sure, but It's a very unique system, and you can say except mium, you can say ko, ko, but this meaning is not there in Korean. If Korean wants to say about kum, you need a 받침. So kind of it's not related to plural, different meaning. Okay. Ca. What is Ca? Some in the chemistry you can say, oh, there is a calcium. When you're living in Canada, oh, there is a google.ca is Canada. Yeah, something like that. But in the end, when you add R, car is different from calcium or Canada. Oh yeah, I know, some it's ugly drawing. So 받침 system is very similar like this. So in your memory, you need to understand what it is and at least one alphabet and one vowel. If you want to write Korean, you need at least one alphabet in one vowel in one word. Okay? That's everything today's video. If you have any question, please reply in the bottom. Thank you.